Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Fardaus Sahel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to lock your Facebook profile. And we need to sign in with your Facebook account. Then we can click here and click on our account. From here, we need to click right here and you have lock profile. First, we're going to lock the profile and also we're going to unlock the profile. Now here we need to click on lock your profile. You locked your profile, just click on OK. Only your friends can see your profile. Now if I want to unlock my profile, you can see you locked your profile. To unlock it, we need to click right here and down there we have unlock profile. When you lock your profile, you cannot turn on professional mode, but if I am going to unlock my profile, so from here I can just click on view as. How locking works: only friends will see your past and future photos, posts and stories on your profile. Only friends will see your full resolution profile picture and cover photo. People will still be able to seek public posts you're tagged in, search for you and send you friend requests. Let's click on unlock. How unlock works: more people may see the photos and post stories on your profile. More people may see your full size profile picture and cover photo. You can share photos and post with anyone. Let's click on unlock your profile. Now that we unlocked our profile, we can turn on the professional mode as well. Let's click here. So here we have this professional mode as well. We can turn it on by now. So this is how we can lock and unlock our Facebook profile. So hope you guys enjoyed and learned. And if you have any question or doubt, please let me know in the comment box of this video. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and also subscribe to the channel. So see you guys in the next video.